Hello everyone, today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to put your song's lyrics on your TikTok video. Welcome to Tutorials by David.
First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a new video. You can either record or take a new clip or upload the video from your gallery. Next, tap Add Sound at the top and choose the song you want to use. Make sure you select a song that has lyrics available on TikTok. After that, tap the text icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can type in the lyrics manually or if you want full control over the timing and style. Once your text is added, tap on the text box and select Set Duration. This lets you control exactly when each lyric appears and disappears in the video. If you want TikTok to add lyrics automatically, tap Captions instead. TikTok will generate lyrics based on the song and sync them to your video. When you're done, tap Next, add your caption, hashtags, and settings, then post your video. And that's it! You've successfully added song lyrics to your TikTok video.